After crossing Murray, now we are in KPK supposedly, because we saw a sign of district Abbottabad. Abbottabad is in KPK, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so we are passing through KPK, and after crossing KPK, I guess we'll enter, inshallah, Azad, Jammu and Kashmir. And this is the road, as you people can see. This is okay, and these are small huts on the roadside which we are crossing, and the construction. तकरीबन सारे रास्ते पे construction का काम हो ही रहा है continuously. This is it for now. Here, there are kids. They're buying their chips and everything.
But we do have chips.
Yeah, I am just saying. Neelam Jailam. We are at the junction of AJK and KPK.
अब हम चढ़ेंगे पहाड़.
What our route is this? Okay, this is the place. Darya Neelam Jailam.
इस वाले राइट हो गए. ये राइट होगा. 2 मिनट का. आउटवर्ड शारदा.
बट अभी धूप है तो अभी हमें फीलिंग नहीं आ रही.